There you go, 2013 Bike Trick Custom Fit Trail 3. So yeah, start from the top and go to the back. I got Colt Vans grips, obviously power ends, Fit BF3 bars. Getting Primos soon, hopefully, so I can complete all the stuff I need black. Obviously, Elementary V3 stem, Colt headset, yeah, Volume Black Mama forks, Primo pegs in the front, Odyssey Bandera 2 quadrant, just the stock one, Fit Trail 3 frame, Dual Rogue status seat, random seat post, stolen seat post clamp, profile cranks, Odyssey Killington sprocket, 30 tooth, Animal Hamilton PC pedals, Colt 510 chain, G Sport hub guard, RO peg, profile 2, Sun, premium refuse resist, Colt or Fit FAF. Here's a hub sound. And that's my custom bike trick. I'll make a new one when I get my bars probably. And then I'm hoping to get black sprocket and then a blue profile push top load, and then my bike will be done. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Working on an edit. Deuces.